the shell, they can't penetrate. Every pain I face, I elevate. Life through punches, I didn't break. Turn my scars into a stake. Walls solid force from night. Every shadow taught me fight. Lessons buried in plain sight. Now my vision sharp as light. They doubted what I could withstand. I rise tall, take command. Every trial I remain. Obsidian, soul unplanned. Obsidian, I stand unshaken. Every blow, every taken. Turn the pain into awaken. Strengthen every layer, unshaken. No fear in my domain. I thrive despite the strain. Built from fire, forge and rain. Obsidian, heart remain. Every whisper tried to scar. Every loss, every bar. I wear the night like a star. Obsidian, raised from afar. Silent moves, strategic mind. Lessons deep, I grind. Strength and pain, redefined. Armor solid, truth aligned. Now I stand where I belong. Every challenge made me strong. Through the right, through the wrong. Obsidian, lifelong. Obsidian, I stand unshaken. Every blow, every taken. Turn the pain into waking. Strengthen every layer, unshaken. No fear in my domain. I thrive despite the strain. Built from fire, force and rain. Obsidian, heart remain. Yeah. Yeah. Obsidian, heart remain. Yeah.
Like shadows at dusk. Trust broken, now it's just us. Smiles gone, replaced with musk of betrayal, decay and rust. Haunted steps where I used to walk. Silent halls where they used to talk. Every glance like a mark, every bond now chalk. I keep moving unseen, a ghost. Fighting pain, carrying them all. Every loss another post, marking where I go. I move like a phantom in the night. Invisible Lord in the light. Every betrayal in my side turns my wounds into mine. Alone but I survive. Every cut keeps me alive. I adapt, I strive, I strive. Phantom moves, I thrive. Eyes open, always aware. Some pretend but none care. Lessons harsh, nothing fair. I take what I can bear. Echoes linger in the halls. I hear footsteps, distant calls. Yet I rise despite it all. Phantom strong, I don't fall. Walls built, trust locked tight. Now my canvas shadows my light. Every wrong fuels my fight. I exist in my own right. I move like a phantom in the night. Invisible, avoiding the light. Every betrayal in my side turns my wounds into mine. Alone, but I survive. Every cut keeps me alive. I adapt, I strive, I strive, I strive. Phantom moves, I thrive.
Yeah, ayy, smash the rules, break the frame. Play the game, but not the same. Energy wild, can't tame. Fuel the fire, claim a name. Every dollar, every fake. Watch me rise, watch me take what's mine, no mistake. Flames grow with every stake. Pressure build, I erupt. Every scar, construct. Not a past conduct. Shows my rise abrupt. Power burn, let it ignite. Rage blazing through the night. Every wrong, I rewrite. Power surge, full might. No chains, no fear. I'm the spark you hear. Rising from the sea. Power blazing clear. Yeah, ayy.
I don't chase fame, I chase effect. Every word, every line perfect. Time moves fast, can't deflect, so I build a legacy to protect. Every verse a monument, every trial, every event. Carve my path with intent, every battle taught relent. This the final chapter, right? Every struggle brought in sight. Every shadow met the light. Immortality in my sight. Immortality, I rise through the pain, through the lies. Every moment crystallized, legacy never dies. Built from fire, shaped by storm, through the night. Every loss became the norm. Immortality reborn. From abyss to the throne, every seed I've ever sown grew into a power of my own. Lessons learned, fully known. No fear, no chains can't hold. Every story I've told, every step bold. Immortality unfold. Now my name echoes strong through the right, through the wrong. Every verse, every song. Immortality lifelong. Immortality, I rise through the pain, through the lies. Every moment crystallized, legacy never dies. Built from fire, shaped by storm, through the night I transform. Every loss became the norm. Immortality reborn.
I don't fit boxes, I break the mold. Rules feel fake when the bought is sold. They want compliance, I want truth. Built my rebellion since my youth. Program thinking, copy paste mine. I question everything they design. Comfort's a cage, dressed up clean. Freedom louder than it seems. I don't rebel just for the noise. I dismantle systems they deploy. Every illusion, I just set calm. Expose the flaw, remove the charm. They fear disruption, I embrace change. Comfort zones, feeling strange. If the structure's weak, let it fall. I'd rather breathe than crawl.
Anarchy, not chaos, blind as clarity. Breaking program mind. If the system cracks when truth appears, then it was fragile all these years. Anarchy, not chaos, blind as clarity. Breaking program mind. If the system cracks when truth appears, then it was fragile all these years.
I move independent, self-defined. No borrowed thoughts in this mind. They follow waves, I question tides. I don't let narrative decide. If speaking truth makes me extreme, then I live outside their dream. I don't disrupt, I realign. The future shifts on my design.
Every time you rise, resistance grows. Jealous eyes, hitting blows. Backlash loud when progress seen. Critics talk but stay unseen. They throw shade when you elevate. Project fear, try to hate, but noise don't shake a solid stance. Weak opinions never advance. I don't argue with the crowd. Silence speaks far too loud. Energy wasted, proven wrong. I let results extend the song. Backlash means I'm on the path. Growth invites that aftermath. If they notice, that's the proof. Progress visible from the roof. Backlash, let it talk. I keep moving, steady walk. Critics loud, but vision clear. Hate just means I'm drawing near. I turned out in the fuel, use criticism as a tool. Every insult sharpens skill, every obstacle built will. They can question what I do, but they can't stop what I pursue. Backlash fades when winds appear. Consistency kills fear, yeah.
Pressure tested, still intact. I respond with disciplined acts. Backlash part of every climb. I stay focused on the prime.
Yeah, lights off, focus sharp, no noise. Cut the static, I don't chase decoys. Blackout mode when I lock that goal. Vision arrow, iron soul. Friends turn distant when grind gets deep. Dreams get heavy when you don't sleep. While they scroll, I strategize. Building empires behind closed eyes. I don't need applause to validate. Silence loud when you elevate. Energy guarded, circle tight. Cut distractions out my sight. No halfway steps, no double mind. If it slows the climb, I leave it behind. Pressure rising, good, that's growth. Comfort kills what hunger wrote. Blackout, tunnel vision clear. No room left for doubt or fear. All I see is the finish line. Everything else decline. Late nights mapping out the rise. Sacrifice behind the eyes. Temporary losses for permanent gain. Short-term silence, long-term rain. I don't explain moves I make. Quiet steps cause loud quakes. They won't get it till it's done by then. The distance already won. Blackout state, discipline rage. Locked inside a higher stage. Focus weaponized inside. No distractions in my stride, yeah.
I don't build castles in the air. Every move mapped with care. Vision drawn before it's seen. Planning silent, thinking clean. Blueprint drafted in the dark. No applause for the start. They chase hype. I chase structure, solid base before I rupture. Years ahead inside my mind. Why they focus short-term grind? Patience sharper than a blade. Calculated risks I made. No emotion. Decisions lead. Discipline plants every seed. Foundations deep before the show. That's why growth steady slow. Blueprint, design precise. Long game played. No roll of dice. Every brick aligned in place. That's how I win the race. I revise whenever show adapt. Faster just the flow. Ego never blocks the view. Strategy evolves when needed to. I don't fear the slow ascent. Legacy, worth the time I spent. Blueprint, mindset, structure climb. Building something past my time. I mapped the city inside of my brain. Every setback was part of the plan. I never folded, I studied the board. Move like a king, but I sharpen the sword. Blueprint written in permanent ink. I don't just rap, I calculate, think. Every bar layered like bricks in a wall. Building an empire that's destined to sprawl. Lessons and losses, I counted them twice. Pain was expensive, I paid every price. Now when I step, it's strategic control. Every move measured, aligned with the goal. No overnight glow, I labor for shine. Turned every doubt to a permanent climb. They wanted noise, I deliver precision. Focused ambition, with tunnel vision. I speak in metaphors, heavy as stone. Planting the seeds that I'm destined to own. Storm in my chest, but my voice stays steady. Built like a soldier, forever ready. Every verse etched like architectural art. Engineered lines from the depth of my heart. Calculated chaos, aggressive but wise. Blueprint mind with the predator eyes. Respect not given, it's earned in the field. Stand on your code, never bend to yield. This ain't a hobby, it's legacy written. Time is the judge, and I'm fully committed. Pressure building up like tectonic plates. Silence before the storm that race shapes face. I've been patient, calculating every move. Now the ground shaking every time I groove. They built towers tall off fragile lies. I see the cracks forming in the skies. I made them rise and feel it in my chest. Cataclysm coming, I don't second guess. Every setback stored like kinetic force. Every closed door only changed my course. They mistook my quiet for a lack of drive. Now the aftershock shows I'm alive. Energy shifting when I enter the room. Old systems trembling, sensing the boom. I don't rage reckless, I move precise. When I flip the switches once, not twice. Cataclysm. Watch the skyline fall. Or raging fading when I answer the call. From the rubble I rise, standing tall. If the world won't change, I shake it all. Yeah, no random chaos is planned design. Every detonation aligned with time. They comfortable sleeping, I'm wide awake. I don't bend easy, I recalibrated. Foundations weak, they crumble fast. Nothing artificial ever truly lasts. I don't scream loud, I let impact speak. When the dust clears, I'm the peak.
Destruction clears with fear maintained. Sometimes loss is how you gain.
Cataclysm, let the old dissolve. Every broken structure I evolve. Cataclysm, let the old dissolve. Every broken structure I
in the silence where no one sees, I navigate tunnels of broken dreams. Walls whisper secrets of the ones I lost. Every step heavy, calculated cost. Isolation taught me how to survive. Every scar a lesson, every fear alive. They see quiet but don't feel the storm. Phantom pressure, shaping my form. I built my empire from shadows and dust. Trust earned slowly, loyalty a must. No shortcuts, no fake applause. Every choice sharpened by unseen laws. Voices echo but I stay composed. Darkness is home where the path is exposed. Catacomb mine, secrets preserved. Wisdom mine from what I observe. Catacomb, deep in my mind. Pressure and pain intertwined. Silent halls where I roam. Every loss turned into home. I face demons most never know. Confront the night, let clarity grow. Every echo teaches patience and strength. I traverse the dark, measure the length. Isolation sharpens, refines my plan. No one can reach the man I am. Catacomb soul, underground king. Lessons in silence, power they bring.
Go to overtime, not from hate, from survival design. Trust got thinner year by year. Experience sharpen what I hear. Go from moving through my zone. I learned to stand on my own. Less emotion, more control. Guarded mind, discipline soul. They call it distant, I call it wise. I've seen truth behind the eyes. Energy shifts when motives change. So I adapt, I rearrange. Used to give without a shield. Now boundaries reinforced and still. If I move quiet, that's my choice. Silence, sometimes louder than voice. Cold front, temperature drop. Feelings guarded at the top. Nah, heartless, just refine. Peace protected by the mind. Cold front. Peace protected by the mind. Cold front. Yeah. I don't react to every spark. Some fires fade in the dark. Calm exterior, measured tone. Strength don't always need to be shown. I still feel, just choose when. Selective energy, selective friends. Cold doesn't mean I can't care. It means I won't let damage live there. Storms pass, but I remain. Emotion balanced, nothing in vain. Cold from steady in my stance. Survival sharpen my advance. Survival sharpen my advance. Cold front, temper drop. Feelings guarded at the top. Not heartless, just refined.